Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine too.
What is your name?
My name is Raju. What is your name?
My name is Ria.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
How old are you? I am 11 years old. Where do you live? I live in India. Where do you live?
I live in India too.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Amit.
What is your father's name? My father's name is Rajesh. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sunita.
What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Anita. Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Do you have a sister? Yes, I have a sister. What is your brother's name?
His name is Rahul. What is your sister's name?
Her name is Anu. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like milk? Yes, I like milk. Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice. Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Do you like cartoons? Yes, I love cartoons. What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Can you sing a song?
Yes, I can sing. Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance. Can you draw a picture?
Yes, I can draw. Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle. Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school every day.
Which class are you in? I am in class 5. Which class are you in?
I am in class 4.
What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English very much.
What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth in the morning. Do you take a bath every day?
Yes, I take a bath every day. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and milk. Do you play in the evening?
Yes, I play in the evening.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
What do you do after school? I do my homework.
I do my homework. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy. What games do you play? I play football. What games do you play?
I play badminton.
English is easy.
Yes, English is fun.
Are you ready to learn English?
Yes, I am ready to learn English.
Let's learn English together.
Yes, let's learn together.
Practice makes us better.
That's right.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.